This one thing is the main reason kung bakit wala ka pang ipon. And you'll be shocked because the reason is so simple. Nakasanayan na kasi natin that every time that we receive our salaries, we spend. And then whatever is left, yan na yung pang savings natin. Which most of the time, wala nang natitira. Kaya walang naiipon. Pero if you inverse, every time that you receive your salary, the first thing that you do is you save. And then whatever is left, yan yung pagkakasyahin mo for your daily expenses. Eventually, your financial life gets better and better and better. Kapatid, iba pa rin yung confidence ng taong merong ipon. And for you to be able to save, you should be intentional. Kaya kapatid, be intentional and start saving today. See you on my next video.